Alright, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're just gonna get us a Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew all these brackets here. Just take these old ones off. Hopefully, the plan is back in there. Hope you can see. I'll be able to put these new brackets here back in there, and then hook these new drawer sliders to it. So I'm gonna see if we can get this done. You don't need any help or a video tutorial, I'm thinking, on how to unscrew these rails. Should be pretty simple. Just a few Phillips head screws holding them in there. And you can see how badly warped and stuff these are. It's been giving me some fits for a while, so hopefully this will be the solution. So we're gonna unscrew these all, and then we're gonna be back.